Hey guys, welcome back to video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So today I'm gonna show you my plum tree. My plant this plum tree, you guys, for for a while now. So yes, my beautiful peeps, it's my plum tree here, and the first my plum tree it bear two plum. So I can zoom it in like you guys see there. It bear two plum, and right now the first one ripe and drop off. So basically I gotta eat my first plum will drop off on my tree. There it is. So this is a Jamaican June plum. Jamaican June plum. So guys, this is the first plum will drop off my tree. Or ripe and drop off. The other one not bait fit. But I not have to pick that. So this is another plum tree, but it chopped down and barely a spring back. But yeah, could have man boss, me gonna eat my first ripe June plum. I come off of my tree on my plant. Can you imagine? I'm so proud of myself. Woo! Let's give you guys some of that beautiful view. Wow. So beautiful. So yes, my beautiful peeps. So the plum tree only bear two plums. One is ripe, and I'm so excited to eat my plum. To tell you the truth, I love June plum. From I was a little girl growing up, I just love June plum. My favorite fruit. So yes, guys, I'm just really excited. So you could tell me what would you eat this with? I would eat it with a little bit of salt. I don't know if you would eat it with sugar or salt, but I would prefer a little bit of salt. So yeah. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl Unruly Shana. Alright? So all of my viewers and my subscribers, them, big up on yourself every time. Enough love.